Hi! Hello! My name is Mimi and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about why I do my eye makeup the way I do it. I wear glasses and I have found through much trial and error that conventional eye makeup techniques don't work. And there is a reason why. And I'm going to be showing you the reason why in this video. I'm going to be showing you why I do my makeup the way I do and the reasons that I do my makeup the way I do. Plus a very good tip for making your makeup last around your nose, because everyone knows that when you wear glasses, your makeup melts off your nose bridge. So I've got a tip for you that'll help make that part of your face makeup last. So if you want to find out what I do, what I use, and why I use them, please keep watching. My skin is prepped and I have on my BB cream. So now you can see what my face looks like. I have no concealer, and as I zoom you in, I want you to notice that I have a lot of discoloration and darkness around my eyes. Let me take off my glasses so you can see a lot of natural discoloration and darkness around my eyes. And then when I put on my glasses, you'll see that it adds a shadow across my lid, right through the center of my lid and where my crease would be. And then it also casts a shadow onto the under part of my eye where I have a lot of natural darkness. So the first thing I like to do when I do my eye makeup is to conceal all the darkness around my eye. So for that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible shade in Honey, because this is a 100% match to my skin tone. I don't highlight because, as you can see with my glasses on, my glasses highlight anything under my eyes. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to do one eye only on camera, and I'm going to leave one dark. Let's go ahead and start adding concealer. I'm going to do my right eye on camera. Okay, so you can see how nice and concealed my right eye is compared to my left. There's no shadowing showing through under that concealer. And when I put my glasses on, you'll see how my eyeglasses cast a shadow. Do you see how my eyeglasses have now cast a shadow around my lid and also a slight shadow on my under eye? Okay. But you can also see how all that concealer brightened my entire eye and how my eyeglasses highlight that brightening. You can now fully see it. Okay, I am going to finish the other eye off camera, and I'll be back to show you what I do with my shadow. Before I apply any eyeshadow or any powder, I want to make sure that I have no creasing around my eyes, and I do that by using a Q-tip like this one and literally wiping away the creases. I'm going to do this eye on camera, and I'll do the other eye off camera. So okay, now I'm going to powder my eye. I'm going to powder this side because I've already done the one that I was doing on camera. I forgot to turn my camera back on. So first, before I powder, I am going to make sure that I have no creases. And now I'm going to powder. My puff is preset. Use any kind of powder you like. And powder all the way up to my eyebrow. Okay. Now that my eyelids are powdered, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. I want to show you what I look like again with my glasses off and now with them on. You can see how my eyeglasses make a crease through my eyelid. I want my eyes to show up behind my glasses and not be dark. You can see that there's shadowing from my glasses all the way around my eye. But when I take them off, it's a flat surface. You don't see that shadowing. Put them back on, shadowing all the way around my eye. So what do? I cannot do any crease work because it will get hidden behind my glasses and it will also darken my eye, which I don't want to do. I can't do any outer corner work out here for the same reason. So I used a neutral colored shimmer shadow. I'm using this palette. This is by WetnWild, and my favorite color in the palette is actually this shimmer. And I only put it in one spot on my eye. That's the inner third. Do you see? See how that opens my eye? And let me show you the effect when I put on my glasses. It takes all the light right to that part of my eye. I have discovered that highlighting the tear section, the very inner part of your eye with highlighter, brings too much light to the point in between your glasses and it looks really odd, so I don't do that. I just put a diffused light layer of the shimmer on the inner corner. That's it. Now that that is done, I do my eyeliner and I will be back to give you a very, very big tip about powdering your face when you wear glasses. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, my eye makeup is done with the liner and my makeup is set with setting spray. The next thing I need to do is set my entire face. One place where makeup as an eyeglasses wearer breaks down really badly for me, no matter what, is on my nose bridge through here. And I have found the absolute best thing to do to prevent that from happening is to bake. And the only part of my face that I bake is across my nose bridge. So here and here. That's it. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are done. The time it took me to do my eyebrows is all I needed for that bake on my nose. So now I'm going to blend that powder in the rest of my face with my puff. Now that I have powdered my whole face and baked my T-zone, I'm going to do my mascara. Now, my eyeglasses wash out my eyelashes. And I also can't wear falsies for 2 reasons. I'm allergic to adhesives, and every time I have ever previously tried to wear falsies, they're always, no matter the length, too long. And they hit my eyeglasses and it's very uncomfortable. So those are the 2 reasons. mostly because I'm allergic to adhesive. So what I like to do is curl my lashes and then apply a mascara that will make them look like falsies. So whatever your preference is with mascara. I like to use the new Sparks mascara from Maybelline. It's so far right now, it's my favorite mascara. So curl. And I curl my lashes in 3 places, at the base, in the middle, and the tips. And then mascara. And I'll show you one eye on camera and one eye off so that you can see the difference. Okay, so that's with mascara. And that's without. I'm going to put on my glasses so you can see. With mascara and without. See how my eyelashes just pop and my whole eyelid is highlighted without being too dark and making my face look dark? Okay, I'll be right back with all my makeup done. Okay, so this is my final look of the day. Put on my earrings. I like very lightweight makeup. I like simple makeup. And that is the reason why I do my eye makeup this way. Because I found it to be the most effective way to make my eyes stand out behind my glasses and be bright. You can do this with any color. I prefer to use neutrals. Maybe I'll show you how it looks with a color done this way as well, so you can see that it works with any color you want. It just needs to be a shimmer and slightly translucent. That's how it works for me. It may be different for you. You may be able to use different colors. It all depends on how the shadows work around your eyelid and how your glasses cut through your eyelid and the shape of your eyelid. This works for me. This is why I do my eye makeup this way. I hope that this helps to show you that you can use eye makeup to your advantage when you wear glasses, and that you can make your eyes shine and be beautiful behind the lens. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this sort of content. My name is Mimi, and I will talk to you later.